if you can make a proper life plan today of having a proper risk management on your trading is going to change from point A to point Z. It's what you can afford to lose and stay calm whenever you're in the trade.
How many times you show up in the market? How many times can you show up to put in the work? Okay, trading new journal for the week. I bought this new journal for a trading documentary. It's not all about how much work you put in, it's all about how many times you show up in the market, how many times can you show up to put in the work. Putting in the work 1% every day, making progress is better than not putting in the work or having 0 working days or 0% productivity. So that's why as a trader you must be very disciplined and patient to accomplish most of your targets, and you make a decision that will lead you to progress, and also detach yourself from any trading bad habits that will lead you to unnecessary losses.
Today we have set up on short on Nazi. I have trade on US Tech and I'm going short. Today is Friday, and if this trade can go to my direction, please I'll be making up to 1:5 risk to reward on this trade. Alright, I just went for a shot right now. Okay, yeah, just push down so that we can secure some partial profit on this trade. Guys, if this trade hits my TP this week, that will be my first win trade of this week, and this first win of this week means I'll be going this week with a 1:3 RR profit. That means I had 2 loss this week because I traded on Tuesday and Wednesday. I had 2 losing trades. Then today being Friday, I decided to take some short on Nazi. So although it's working to our favor, let me just see how this trade goes. I'm trying to keep myself cool and calm. Most times I find myself in some situation of trade going back to my SL, because most of the times we enter trade and trade try to reject and go back to our SL, and we start hesitating or start having some emotional feelings. There is 2 things that can cause this emotional feelings. Is that if you are not having a very good stop loss space for your trades, there's possibility that anytime price comes back to your entry mode, you start hesitating, having too much position on your trade. You might have a good stop loss, and then if you're adding so much position on your trades, there are possibility that you are going to hesitate if price comes back to your entry modes or entry position or your entry level, at some certain times. So that's why risk what you can afford to lose and stay calm whenever you're in a trade. Update you guys how this trade is going on, but I just pray that today is going to end up profitable on this trade. This pair can be very volatile, guys. It can be very fucking volatile. So once it's reached to a level of this psychological level that I mapped out on my charts, which you guys can see, just lock in immediately, lock in your profits, or you can just secure some partial profits, then leave the rest to run, because I'm very positive on this trade. I know that this trade is going to be a very successful trade for this week. So at least this week we are closing up on profit, because right now I'm on tight stop now. And that was a very awesome trading section for this week. At least we managed to close this week with a 1:3 risk to reward, and at least this week is getting more better, because I had to losing trade on Tuesday and Wednesday. So at least this 1:3 is going to cover for the losses, and at least I have up to 1 RR to as profit of this week. Either I can withdraw or I can also keep it for the next week trading. At least I love having profits at the end of the week. You reach to a stage in your trading where very mindful in your risk management and your trading approach. You are now getting patient and discipline. Those things that you said you're not going to do, you're not doing it again. You're not taking multiple trades. At least this week I've reached to a stage where I don't take multiple trades in my account again. At least the account that I'm trading now is growing massively. I don't take multiple trades. I take only one setup in a day, 1 to 2 setups, depending on how the market's volatility reacts. Trading is not all about taking multiple trades or being in the chart, or just come to the chart, look for a setup. If I see a setup reacting above or below my confidence POI, I will just take the trade immediately. Have a good space for my stop loss. Make sure you have a good space for your stop loss on your trade. Whatever you are doing, have a good breathing space, because when you have a good breathing space in your trade, it makes you have chill and relaxed mind whenever you are trading. Even though the trade comes back to hit your SR, you know that that trade is not meant for you. That's how a mindful trader do. And you see most of the profitable traders or the professional traders have a good stop loss on their trade. You are not trying to catch up to 1:12 risk to reward on a trade. That's a very greedy mindset. Have a very mindful target and plan. Treat trading as a business, and you see yourself be profitable. It has been up to 5 or 3 working days that I haven't posted on my channel, which I've been on a very serious medication. So I'm still taking my drugs to make sure I get better. Whatever we do, we still be grinding. Guys, make sure you subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and peace up. See you guys on the next video.